That was intense. Oh my God, I've never seen anything like that in my life. And now look, it's like the mass is dispersed. Hi, we're Josh and Tamara, and this is our 46-foot Hunter sailboat, Honu time. We've now made it into North Carolina. Join us every Friday as we learn to navigate these new waters and refit, renovate, and restore our new home. Thanks for all your support along the way. Look at this gorgeous water. Oh my God, it's awesome.
Morning. We had a waggy light last night. We drug once and had to reset our anchor and stuff. We also ran into an issue yesterday where we had a exhaust leak. So last night we pulled the doghouse off, got in there. I did a patch on it and just watching it right now and seeing how that's going. But we've left the anchorage and we're just cruising through South Point. We just thought we should show this. It's a really cool looking little town. I guess it's like, it's all about boating here. Look at this. I don't know if you can see it on this GoPro, but all the restaurants and everything have docks. Everything's on docks. You just can roll up and patron only parking. It's really neat. We got going because we're on the Cape, going into the Cape River, or Cape Fear River, and we want to get a bit of a current going with us because it's going to be bucking one all day. And it's a shame we're putting such hard miles on the last 2 days on the boat, but it's starting to show some issues or some deficiencies and stuff. One of them being that exhaust hose, which we're hoping somewhere along the line we can get a replacement and at least have it. If my patch works, great. If not, we can at least stay on an anchor and fix it. So, and yeah, we're gonna have to stop and get some fuel soon, probably top up our water and everything. But
the good news is it's a beautiful day today. The rain is gone, the thunderstorms are over. Like Josh said, we had a pretty sleepless night for the first part of the evening worrying about the anchor, but it got fixed up, so we're ready to rock and roll and see what today has to bring.
what will it bring? We need to chug these.
Big time.
There's a massive tug and barge coming at us. And we just saw the sailboat in front of us take a hard right, hard starboard. Because we're gonna get a massive wake off this thing in a couple minutes, so chug it. Look at this little guy out here fishing. He's going for a ride for sure. Hope you like to surf, brah. He's in a kayak, but we were cruising along and Tamara's like, why is that guy in the sailboat in front of us turning hard over there? And I'm looking like, could it be because of the big ship coming at us? She's like, oh, I didn't see it behind the mast. So this will make for some interesting video, I'm guessing.
I'm guessing.
Maybe it's not too bad. It looks, but when I was looking through the binos, though, it looked like he was hucking a huge wake. So we'll see. In the meantime, I'm gonna chug my coffee. Chug, chug, chug. This is a whole lot better than yesterday. Oh my God. That was a stormy one. We ran the motor hard yesterday and through some of those rivers and channels, and yeah, I think that's probably how we ended up making the demise of our exhaust hose. So I'm gonna call ahead to a few marinas and a couple parts places and see if we can find something before, because once we get to the northern part of North Carolina, we got to get through the Dismal Swamp, and there's nothing until you get way up into Virginia. So, and it'd be nice to have that just in case. I think my patch is actually holding pretty good. I had a bunch of high heat gasket maker and I just gooped it all in there, and then I made a sticky bomb and I cut open a tin can and I filled it with more gasket stuff and I slapped it on top of where the hole was, and then I took rescue tape and wrapped the whole thing super tight and compact, and then I put some big huge 4-inch clamps over the whole thing to hold it snug, and then it dried all night last night, and so far this morning, knock on wood, she's holding. Heading into Carolina Beach, and it's a long weekend, and so far it's been very busy with fisher folk bombing around. I just wanted to show something here and why you really watch the charts carefully. But you can see here, coming into this spot here, you really have to duck over to the side. You can see the channel markers over here. There's some big shoals on that side that you would run aground for sure. And if you're not paying attention and you miss that buoy and not come around it, good chance you're gonna kiss the bottom over there. But this whole setup with aqua maps and Bob's tracks is awesome. And it's funny because it's like this little snail trail that all these sailboats are following exactly, and then nobody deviates from it. And you can see even the guy behind us, he's right on it too. So good work, Bob. Good work, aqua maps.
It's neat to see all of these different places along the way that you know, we don't really get to be a part of or see from where we're from, but this is really quite neat. We got people camping on the dunes over here, enjoying the weekend. It looks like as the tide goes out, there's a little sandbar over this way here, and you can make your way all the way across. Such a beautiful town. I wish we weren't in such a rush to get up north right now. It would be so nice to just drop an anchor and have the opportunity to kind of be a tourist for a little bit and visit these places. That was our intention, but it's taking us a little bit longer to get north than we expected. So unfortunately, I don't think we're gonna have the opportunity to do that this time. But maybe when we head back down south, we'll just, because we won't be on any schedule at that point, we'll be able to take the time and really enjoy it. Although unfortunately, that's gonna be winter, not summer, and it won't be as lovely as this. But you know what? You take what you can get and you enjoy it and love it. And this ain't a bad way. Turtle! Ah! I just saw Honu. It's just a little wee baby thing. It was super cute. Oh my God, turtles. Baby, I just saw a turtle. I did. He was right beside us, and then I went turtle, and he went boom, and he went underneath. Yeah. Isn't it gorgeous? Not a bad way to spend the summer day. Okay, so I don't know what it is with this channel and where everybody's going to. Yes, it's Labor Day weekend. It's a Saturday, and it's gorgeous. But we have been non-stop boat traffic, boat traffic, boat traffic.
Not much heading the other direction,
no,
back to Carolina Beach. It's all going to Wrightsville. Yeah, which is crazy. And if you look behind us, it just doesn't stop. There's like 20 boats back there, and they just keep coming and coming. There must be a festival or a derby or something, or everybody's just... Margaritas and beers. That's done. What it is. Yeah. They ran out in Carolina Beach. Yes, and it's all in Wrightsville. Yep. Anyways, craziness. This is a crazy little channel. All we do is this. Yeah, that's it. And we're only doing 6 knots. So we're barely going. Everyone's just like, meow, meow, meow. Okay, so we're at the Wrightsville Beach Bridge. Say that 5 times fast. And it is a gong show. As you have seen earlier, the boat traffic has been just insane. And they open on the hour. So we've got about 10 minutes to wait, but there are boats everywhere in front of us. And there's boat traffic coming back and forth. So we're trying to hold steady right here, about a half a knot out, so that we don't have to get mixed up in all of the wash in there. Half a mile. Half a knot. Half a knot? Half a mile. We're half a mile or half a knot? Half a mile. Half a mile away. Anyways, that's where we are. And it's just insane. We're getting rocked back and forth out here. People don't care. They just coming in. Oh, this is a small channel. Yeah. With tons of boats out there. Yeah. But this is stressful and crazy. It's almost more stressful than going under a fixed bridge, because we've got to time it just right to make it through with all the other boat traffic coming through. Yeah. And anyways, this is fun. Yeah, it is. Carrying on.
All right, take a look at this. So we've got nothing but boats littering this whole canal here, and we're all waiting. Well, the little guys are going through, and that's fine. But we're waiting for the bridge to open. We're about 4 minutes away. Traffic hasn't stopped yet. It's crazy insane in here. Ah! This is so stressful. Oh my God. What a busy weekend to be doing this. This is just insane. We knew it was going to be like this as soon as the sun got out, and it was just everybody in boats, but it's crazy. How you doing, Cap?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. I've never seen anything like that in my life. And now look, it's like the masses disperse. Wow, that was an experience. How's that?
That was awesome.
That was crazy.
Sure was.
Oh, I love it. All right, now back to the cruise for Margaritaville right after you get through the bridge.
That's so awesome. This place is cool. I want to come back here.
Me too.
How fun.
Nice. Ah, I love it. This is a beachy town. I absolutely love it.
So
Yeah.
cool. There's 100% a reason why you watch these charts and these cartography maps of all these channels and stuff. This big fish boat passed us, I don't know, about 2 hours ago. And then we seen the Cito boat go by about an hour ago. Look at this. That's a big boat to be pulling off of there. So I'm guessing it's like a 65-foot fish boat. With when he gassed it when he left here, he was probably doing 30 knots, and he's got black smoke billowing out. I know those have big Cummins diesels in them, so that's no joke of a boat. And that Cito boat, that's a 40-some foot Cito, so that's with big huge twins on the back of it. So it'll be cool when we get up closer. I'll take another shot of this, but you have to watch the shoaling like a hawk. You can't take your eye off for a minute. There's no room for error in here. There's just this little channel right in here that you can sit in, and you have to go around people, and that's it. The name of this boat is Ship Happens.
Our day is coming to a close. It was an absolutely fabulous day. The sun's setting on the water behind us, and it's absolutely gorgeous. This has been a spectacular day on the water today. We couldn't have asked for a better one. It was a bit rocky and crazy, but it was fun to see all the boats today.
It didn't bug me at all.
No.
This thing handles all that slop like crazy anyway, but it was fun. It was so fun, and we got to see everything from tugboats first thing this morning to just
Lots of really cool boats today.
it was a parade of boats
Yeah.
all day.
Yeah.
Thousands probably.
Yeah.
It was so neat.
Yeah, so awesome day today. I enjoyed seeing all of the towns that we went through from the water perspective. It was really neat to kind of see all the houses and you know, people's docks and just something different. It was really, really a beautiful day today. I can't even put it into words how moving it is for this trip. Like it's just so many feelings that you have, whether it's looking just at the scenery like this over here, or all of the houses, the big houses, the little houses, whatever the case may be.
We both got a shoulder workout from waving.
Oh
today.
my God,
I
yeah.
went to 8,000 people today. It was awesome.
It was great.
Yeah, a lot of
awesome day. Anyways, that's all I have to say for today. We're gonna call it a night and we'll catch you guys tomorrow.
It's a foggy morning. It's funny, I was just sitting here drinking coffee and it's all quiet. And I can hear splash, splash, splash. And there's fish jumping all around us in this little cove. It's pretty neat. Everywhere.
The fish?
Yeah.
I know, they're crazy.
It's so funny. It's just dead quiet and you just hear.
It's a bit of an ominous morning today, isn't it?
Whoa! Hi guys. Yeah, it is. It's beautiful. The sun's gonna burn this off quick.
Yeah.
Thank God.
We just cast off and got started heading north this morning. Such a beautiful morning. We've got no wind. We're going with the tide right now. We're in high tide and it's just so peaceful and beautiful.
Mark Twain once wrote, "Now and then we had a hope that if we lived and we were good, God would permit us to be pirates." On this morning, we felt like we were pirates.
I know this is a silly battle right now considering that it's so dewy out, but I figured since we've got so much dew on the deck, it's time to give it a nice wipe down, get the bugs off and everything, the salt spray from yesterday. So I'm gonna give the deck a quick wipe down and make it all shiny and pretty so we have a beautiful boat for the whole day. It's taken a lot to get it dried off, like I said, because there is so much moisture in the air right now. It's still sticking pretty good, but you know what? I'm gonna do the best that I can. Everything beautiful and sparkly and nice and clean. All the salt off from yesterday. We've got our first bridge of the day coming up, and it was a bridge that opens on the half hour. So we're kind of with our, we'll call them a buddy boat. We've been traveling up the river with them for the past 3 days, Happy Trails. And they're gonna get there just before us. They called ahead and then requested to keep it open for us to go through. And we called ahead to confirm, so I think we're gonna make it just in time for the swing bridge to start opening up. And then we're smooth sailing for the better part of the day. Most of the bridges are all 65 clearance, so we don't have to worry about calling ahead. And our currents are all looking awesome today. Big thank you for our new Patreon, Robert King. Thanks for all your support.